In the last episode, we delved into the fascinating world of leopards that roam the expansive landscapes of Pench National Park. Join me as we continue our journey through the diverse landscapes of Pench, unraveling the mysteries of its flora and fauna and gaining a deeper appreciation for the importance of preserving this rich tapestry of life for future generations.
Welcome to the Big Cat Lover. I'm here to take you on thrilling adventures into the wild, from tracking majestic tigers to exploring the mesmerizing world of Himalayan birds. Whether it's the dense jungles of Sundarbans or the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas, this channel is all about raw nature. Offbeat wildlife photography and untold stories from the wilderness. So, if you share my passion for big cats, rare birds, and the call of the wild, hit that subscribe button and join me.
The remaining safaris in Turia, Khawasa Buffer, and Silari promise to offer unique and memorable wildlife experiences. Each location brings its own set of surprises and opportunities to witness the diverse flora and fauna of the region. As the jeep rumbled through the rugged terrain of the Turia region in Pench National Park, our anticipation was heightened with each passing moment. Our guide's sharp eyes caught a subtle movement among the trees. "Look there," he whispered, "a wild boar." The boar moved with a measured grace, its snout rooted in the undergrowth as it foraged for food. Our eyes, trained to catch the slightest movement, were rewarded. To our delight, two pairs of intense eyes stared back at us from the shadows within the tree cavity. As we adjusted our binoculars, the enchanting sight revealed a pair of scorp's owls. The sun hung high in the cloudless sky as our safari jeep ventured deeper into the heart of the dense jungle in Pench National Park. Massive trees with roots that seemed to crawl across the forest floor stood like ancient sentinels, their branches forming a natural canopy that filtered the sunlight into mesmerizing patterns. To my amazement, a family of Indian grey hornbills had made their home in the leafy embrace of the branches. The air was filled with the sounds of hornbills calling out to each other. The rhythmic rustling of leaves and occasional giggles guided me to a clearing where the mischievous monkeys had gathered. The youngest members of the troop seemed to be the ringleaders of this playful spectacle. Their boundless energy translated into somersaults, daring leaps, and intricate games of tag. The backwaters of Pench River unveiled a world of serenity and seclusion. This place is not just a heaven for wildlife, but also a sanctuary for peace seekers looking to connect with the soul-soothing rhythm of nature. We concluded our evening safari. The rustling leaves and the distant calls of nocturnal creatures signaled the beginning of a different adventure, the much-anticipated night safari in the Khawasa Buffer. The headlights of the safari vehicle cut through the darkness, revealing the glittering eyes of the creatures that prowled the night. Suddenly, a pair of glowing eyes caught our attention. As we turned a corner, a movement in the underbrush caught our attention. The guide directed the spotlight towards the source.
सर सर रोड पे टाइगर है, रोड पे टाइगर है।
And there she was. Jugni, the tigress, bathed in the soft glow of the moonlight. With a final flick of her tail, the tigress disappeared into the shadows, leaving us in awe of the untamed beauty we had just witnessed. The safari vehicle, now bathed in the silvery glow of the moon, made its way through the darkened paths. The guide suddenly signaled for the driver to pause. An elusive wolf emerged from the shadows.
सर ये देखो, इंडियन ग्रे वुल्फ।
As we continued our homeward journey, the nightjar added its unique melody to the nocturnal symphony, blended seamlessly with its surroundings. As the sun began to cast its warm hues across the horizon, signaling the dawn of our final day in Pench National Park, we embarked on our last two safaris in the enchanting regions of Turia and Silari. The golden jackal couple, with their matching fur aglow in the golden light, moved gracefully through the road. Their steps were synchronized, and their playful interaction spoke of a connection that transcended the challenges of the wild. Their movements were choreographed in a level of intimacy that mirrored the bonds shared by the closest of companions. As we observed, they brushed against each other with tender strokes, their actions transcending the routine behaviors of survival in wild. Seeing the Pench River Dam allowed us to experience the scale of the infrastructure and appreciate the engineering efforts involved in harnessing the river's resources. We came across a grey-headed fish eagle perched regally on a sturdy branch overlooking the water. In the waning hours of our final safari, as the lights started to fade, Pench National Park unveiled one of its most captivating chapters. The elusive world of dholes, also known as Indian wild dogs. Guided by the soft glow of the twilight, we were treated to the sight of a pack of dholes, sleek and agile, traversing the landscape with purpose. The guide, in hushed tones, shared insights into the behaviors of these remarkable predators. With the sun sinking low and the park nearing its exit time, our yearning for a glimpse of the elusive tiger reached its zenith. The strong, resonant alarm calls of the deer echoed through the forest, creating a symphony of urgency that hinted at an imminent revelation. In a breathtaking moment that unfolded amidst a bustling congregation of safari vehicles bore witness to the grand entrance of its regal monarch, Queen. With a deliberate stride, Queen marked her territory, an age-old ritual that spoke volumes about her dominance and authority. And just as swiftly as she had emerged, the queen tigress dissolved into the sanctuary of the foliage, leaving the onlookers in awe of the fleeting yet profound encounter. The grand final, a living ode to the wild splendor, became a fitting conclusion to our Pench journey, a testament to the untamed majesty that thrives when humanity embraces the delicate dance with nature. Your feedback is invaluable to us as we strive to bring you closer to the untamed wonders of nature. So, if you resonate with the untamed beauty of Pench and the majestic big cats that roam its landscapes, please consider subscribing, watching, and sharing our full videos. Thank you once again for being a part of our wildlife adventure, and we look forward to hearing from you.